everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a super cute, chibi-style emoji of Chiori from Genshin Impact. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our new content. Alright, let's get started. Today we're diving into the story of Chiori, an independent designer hailing from Inazuma who strives to make her brand internationally recognized across all of Teyvat. Chiori is the owner of Chiori Boutique, a fashion label in Fontaine. Her designs reflect her strong beliefs in equality and professionalism, boldly challenging societal norms and privileges. Join us as we explore how her fiery spirit is woven into every piece she creates. Let's start designing. Step 1. Basic Drawing Guidelines. Based on the character design in the game, Genshin Impact. Draw the dynamic guidelines for a chibi character, determining the position of the head, body orientation, and facial features. Step 2. Sketching the expression. Now, let's add a personal touch. We're going to emphasize Chiori's surprised expression. Make the eyes larger, eyebrows raised, and the mouth slightly open. These small changes can make the expression look incredibly surprised.
Nani?
At this point, we're just sketching a rough outline, so don't worry too much about the details. Step 3. Finalizing the outline. Moving on, let's outline based on our rough sketch. Use a slightly thicker brush to clearly define every detail. This step is crucial as it will shape the overall look of our final piece. Make sure your lines are smooth and confident to give your work a more professional appearance. Step 4. Coloring. Now comes the most fun part. Drawing Chiori's attire and starting to color it in. And later, her facial expression. First, sketch the outline of the clothing. Then begin filling in the base color blocks and Chiori's attire is colorful. Remember to create a new layer for each color, making it easy to make any changes later on. So this step is your chance to really bring him to life with vibrant colors. Step 5. Final touch. For the final touch, let's add a simple background. You could choose a subtle color gradient or a scene from Inazuma to enhance the atmosphere of the emoji. Once all elements are adjusted, voila! Your super cute Chibi Chiori emoji is complete.
Nani?
Alright, that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you had as much fun watching and learning as I did teaching. Don't forget to share your creations with me using hashtag ChibiGenshin and ChibiCharacterName and mention XBPen on social media. Can't wait to see what you all come up with. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome!